lovely ladies of Year 3. I hope that you're all doing very well. Today what we're going to do is review our 5 recorder notes that we know best, as well as start to learn a new song. So just in case you missed the last lesson, let's review our notes. Starting at the bottom with 3 fingers, and as you should be sure, make sure it's your left hand, we have the note G. Let's repeat this after me. Very good. Take off your bottom finger. Let's play an A. Very good. B. Very good. Okay, now come the new notes, and I want to make sure that you've all got the correct fingering, okay? You want to play it like it's an A, but you're going to take off your top finger. So it should be finger 2, your middle finger, on the second hole. This is how we play C, with our thumb on the back, and it should sound like this. You go ahead and try. Very good. To go up to D, the only thing we need to do is take off our thumb. Very good. So let's play straight up that scale. Listen and then repeat. Go ahead. G, A, B, C, D. Very good. Let's just have a quick look and review at where we find these notes on the staff. Remember, G is usually green, or that's the one we color green. It's found on the second line, right where the treble clef circles around. Next comes La or A, which we color blue, C or B on the third line that we color purple, and then our new notes, which C is found on the third space and D on the fourth line. Be sure when you're reading the music that you're watching very closely to what line or space these notes are on, because if not, you're going to end up playing a note that is not correct. Let's continue our lesson by warming up on Bernat, Bernat, which was the song that you learned how to play last lesson. Why don't we play it together? 1, 2, ready, go. How did you do? Did you remember where to hold the notes and where to breathe? I hope you did. And if yours sounded like mine, then you did it very well. You can upload your videos on our Flipgrid, which you'll be able to also see other of your friends playing there as well, okay? So you can do that after you finish this video. But now we're going to continue to learn a new song. Our song for today is called The Cuckoo. It's a popular German song that uses all 5 of the new notes that we've learned on the recorder. We're going to follow the step-by-step process you see here on the screen. So step 1, color and label the notes correctly. You should do this on the PDF that you've already printed. So stop this video, and when you've completed this task, then push play for the next step. How did it go for you? Hopefully you've got the same ones as I have here on my paper. If you need to pause the video in order to check and make sure yours are the same, go ahead and do so now. Alright, let's move to step number 2. It says clap the rhythm and say the note names. Watch for the tas and the rests. Let's do it together. 1, 2, ready, go. G, 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 B, G, G, B, A, G, A, B, G. B, G, 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 B, G, G, B, A, G, A, B, G. I know that was a little fast, but if you need to practice again, just replay this part of the video. No problem. When you're ready, then let's move on to step 3. Step 3 tells us to practice moving our fingers and saying the note names. So I'm going to show you how that looks. You should do it while watching your paper, unless you need a couple hints, and then you can watch my fingers. 1, 2, ready, go. G, 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 B, G, G, B, A, G, A, B, G. B, G, 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 B, G, G, B, A, G, A, B, G. Maybe you've noticed that I haven't been playing or saying the note at the end of this line. That's because it really is a pickup note or a note that kind of joins on to the next line, which we'll learn in our next video. Now we're finally ready for step number 4, the last step, to play line number 1. So grab your recorder and play with me. Let's play together the first line of the cuckoo. Once again, just a quick reminder, your left hand should always be on top. Let's play together. We're going to take it nice and slow at this speed. Tee, 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 ta. 1, 2, ready, go. If you need to play it again, just move your video back and repeat this section so that you can practice with me as many times as you like. Once you've practiced up, then click the link that I've given you for your year group Flipgrid. This is where we're going to record our videos so that we can share them together as a class. When you type in the password that I've given you, this is the page that will come up. It shows the topics that I've already uploaded where you'll be able to record your very own little song. You want to click on the one that is checked with the blue check that says the cuckoo, line 1. The last step of this process is to click the green and white plus sign in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, and it will come up that you'll be able to record your very own video, take a photo of yourself, and then we'll have your song right there. Well, at least your version of what is the cuckoo. At this point, you will need a parent to help you log in with their email address in order for you to be able to enter and video. You should make sure you put your first and last name in the name box after you've taken your photo so that everyone knows, and especially I know, whose video it is. Don't forget to hit submit video at the end in order for it to be saved. Well, there you have it, girls. Have lots of fun practicing and playing the cuckoo, line 1. And feel free also to tape yourself doing the Bernat Bernat that we did as our warm-up, and then just wait for all the rest, unless you've created your own recorder song that you would also like to upload, or if you just want to say hi. Feel free to explore and ask any questions that you have about our new Flipgrid. It's going to be a lot of fun to share our stuff. All right, off to practicing. I'll see you in a few days for our next lesson so that we can play the rest of the song.